and we can see the data. And this node, of course, could be sending data back to the other node. All of that's possible. And we can have many networks, and we can have many nodes per network. You can see how this thing can scale to huge, huge amounts. But that's basically it. That's what I would call raw LoRa communication between two nodes, which is really the fundamentals of what Meshtastic and everything's built on this raw technology of sending data across. LoRa networks. They all use these SX1262 or so LoRa chips that communicates, and then they turn it into either serial or SPI into a computer, and that's really what a Heltec V3 is. It's an ESP32 computer with the Meshtastic software on there that then just uses this radio to send the data. And you can decide what the frequency of a band is, and you can decide the address.